All right, so it's me the next day. I just want to say, like, I know I'm not a big channel or a well-known mask collector or unboxing, but I just want to say to the people that do make me feel special by sending me packages on the P.O. box, commenting, liking my videos, staying tuned to every post. I know I don't get like crazy views, but honestly, I am so grounded and humbled to say thank you so much for like watching me, supporting the channel. And yeah, just thank you. I just wanted to put this in here because I feel like I don't say thank you enough. And this is one of my outlets, and it's helped me so much grow since I was 18, 19. I forgot how long since. I think I've been posting on this channel since I was like 17 or 16, but I privated that video. But yeah, thank you so much. And yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's gonna be a mailbox video. I'm not gonna say mailbox Thursday, mailbox Wednesday. I'm not the first person to create a mailbox video, right? I don't know what to title it, but this is gonna be a mailbox video. What I got in the mailbox, we're gonna open her up. So the first one I believe is from Tin Man's Corner. I was going through the comments of my most recent video about my new face that Morris mask gave me, my new face, and Tin Man's Corner is like, hey, I shipped you something in your P.O. box and I got the mail. Thank you so much, Tin Man's Corner. Tin Man's Corner, thank you. My P.O. box is gonna be in the description if you ever want to send me something. I love getting I wouldn't call it fan mail. I would call it supporter mail. So we're gonna open this supporter mail, subscriber mail. Okay, so you guys are gonna get the first look. I kind of want to look. I don't want to put my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna look over here as I lift this up. I saw like green hair and I'm scared. Okay, you guys are gonna get the first look. What y'all think? Okay, I'm gonna open my eyes. Wait, is this like the Joker? Is this like the Killing Joke Joker? I almost said the meme, the Jonkler. Is this the Killing Joke Joker? Like the comic book, The Killing Joke? Have you guys seen it? They made an animation for it.
Have you ever had a Krispy Kreme? Have you ever gone to Krispy Kreme? Was it crispy?
No.
Yeah, right.
So I really like it up here, like the sculpt up here kind of reminds me of those like Dracula sculpts. But yeah, I like this so far. The hair is very synthetic. It's in a ponytail. Okay, thank you so much, Jeffrey, for the mask. I'm gonna do some up closes. Thank you. I like the schnoz. I got multiple masks. You don't have Jeffrey. Thank you. Okay. I love receiving masks from people. It's the best thing. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one. This one's in the bag. Alrighty. You guys get the first look. What you got? What do you guys think? Open my eyes. This one's pretty neat. This one's sweet. This looks like the Purge mask. This is another clear mask. I already have one. For the days I don't want to put on eyebrows. Okay. Third and final mask. Let's go. Okay, you guys get the first look. Can't open my eyes. Wait, this is so cool. Spider-Man hockey mask, like a Friday the 13th Spider-Man mask. Thank you so much, Jeffrey. Thank you so much for the mask. It means a lot. Ooh, it's in the middle. So Spider-Man and then Jeffrey's signature. Nice. I love this. Thank you so much, Jeffrey, for the 3 masks. I can't get Joker to thank you. You don't have to send so many masks, but thank you. Wait. Thank you so much for sending the mask. Alright, so let me see. Dear Wendy, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Oh, is this from long ago? I am sending you a clown mask that I brought from Dollar General. and a clear plastic face mask. Maybe you can repaint them or find someone for some use for them. Also, I threw in a hockey mask that I painted to look like Spider-Man. Spider-Man's mask. If you are not a fan of Spider-Man, then you can give it to someone else. No, never that. It's a gift. Hope that everything is great where you are at. Thank you so much. Sincerely, Jeffrey, the Tin Man. P.S. Can I get a shout out for my channel, Tin Man's Corner? Of course. Shout out to Tin Man's Corner. Let him know the cute hair sent you. And everybody comment down below, W Tin Man. I didn't say your last name because I do not want to dox you. And I don't know if you're comfortable with me saying your last name. I feel weird saying people's full names. I don't want to dox anybody. But thank you so much, Jeffrey. Shout out to the Tin Man's Corner. And his description to his channel is going to be down below. But yeah, thank you so much for the mask. It means a lot. So that was so sweet. I would never like give away your mask. They were a gift for a reason. And to me, that's special. Whenever people send me things, I keep them. If I'm given gifts, I keep them. I could never give it away. Okay, next package. Okay, so I know what this is. It's not like sent by a subscriber, but this is a horror movie lamp. This is a horror movie lamp. So I am on TikTok. Make fun of me or whatever. Suck my ass. You don't pay my phone bill. I do, so I can do whatever I want. And I have TikTok. Whatever. You watch reels on Facebook like an old man. You watch reels on Instagram like those are TikToks, by the way. And so I am a part of the TikTok shop affiliates. So I do have brands that reach out to me and send me products, and I earn commission. And one of the brands wanted to send me a horror lamp. They reached out to me in messages, and I'm like, hello, yes. So we're gonna show that out. Slightly open it carefully. I don't know if there's glass. As soon as I said I don't know if there's glass. Clink. Okay, because I can show you. Don't mind the mess in the back. Oh shit. No, bruh. Oh, can you see that? No, you can't. I'm like, can you see that? Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Ooh. I guess this is to turn on the light. No, it's just a symbol. I've opened pickle jars before in my day. Ooh, you put the batteries in here. You open this. Wait, this is dope. This is dope. Clink. Look, this is Jason. And this is a rock. It's not no stupid rock. It's a boulder. Hold on. Bruh. Yo, that fit fresh as fuck. Outfit of the day. Shoes. Sheen. Pants. Graveyard. Jacket from a victim. Rock somewhere. Chain fresh. This is so cool. Oh, I'm so dumb. It's like this. And this requires AAA battery. Got those. Holy shit. But if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and yeah, comment down what was your favorite thing a part of this video. Do you like me being consistent? That's such a dumb question. Do you like the videos I have been putting out? But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support and have a good one.